Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply particle styles to your photos in Capcut. So first you can just add your photos into Capcut, and the first thing that you need to do is duplicate it. So I'm going to click on duplicate, and now there are two photos. Go to the first photo and find a style, this one, and go find the particle category. Then in here for the first photo, I'm going to select the particles dissipate, the first one here. I don't know if it's one or two. Okay, and now go to the second photo and select the second one, the particles on the second lesson here. So wait for it to be applied to your photos. Click on the check icon. So this is the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.